Rabbit wool is used by mankind more than the wool of any other animal. The flight of an owl is completely silent due to its special feathers. This useful property helps owls in their night hunting. When most deer are born, they have white spots which disappear as they mature. The spots help fawns to blend into their background, acting as camouflage. Do you like this video? Then push down the subscribe button now. We're happy that you like it. An elephant's skin is 2.5 centimeters thick in some places. The folds and wrinkles in their skin can retain up to 10 times more water than flat skin does, helping them to cool down. While most pelicans eat fish exclusively, they can be opportunistic feeders, eating lizards, frogs, crabs, and lobsters. Most rabbits can actually turn their ears 180 degrees and have almost 360-degree vision, though they are born with their eyes shut. Sea turtles breathe air, but they have the ability to remain submerged for hours at a time. They even sleep underwater. Gorillas are mostly herbivores, which means they only eat plants, up to 30 kilograms per day. Some species can also eat insects and snails. The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. Ostriches have 3 stomachs. Cows have a strong sense of smell. They can perceive smells at a distance of up to 10 kilometers. Zebras can sleep standing up, although they do need to lie down to enjoy a deep sleep. Bears have a high IQ. They have the largest and most complex brains compared to the other land mammals their size. Around the age of 3 years, swans choose a mate which they will generally remain with for the rest of their lives. Wild boars are nocturnal animals, which means they are active during the nighttime. They can spend 12 hours in sleep during the day, hidden in the nests made of leaves. Adult wolves have 42 teeth. Their teeth are highly specialized to hunt and cut through meat. Ducks have accent. City ducks have a different accent than country ducks. Raccoons rely on their sense of touch to locate food. Their front paws are incredibly dexterous and contain more sensory receptors than their back paws. Snakes have nostrils, but they don't use them to smell. Instead, they have evolved to smell with their tongue. Puma is the largest of the small cat species. Pumas are powerfully built, with large paws and sharp claws. Chickens are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. Scientific evidence has proven the shared common ancestry between chickens and the Tyrannosaurus rex. Though female canaries are also capable of singing, but not that often, male canaries are better singers. Meerkats are extroverted and quite chatty with at least 10 different vocalizations. Females tend to be more vocal than males. Some moths can grow to be in the size of the palm of a human's hand. A grasshopper can jump up to 20 times their own body length. Camels can survive up to 2 weeks without water. During its life, the bee produces only 1/12 teaspoon of honey.